fuck you again. Relapse on your face for like 30 seconds.
All right, it's currently 3:30 in the morning, and we're headed to Mexico. We got a 12-hour drive ahead of us, so it's going to be a fun one. Stick around for the drive. Headed to get some new teeth, but we got the bike on the back. We're all loaded up and ready for the trip, so let's get out of here. Well, what kind of trip would it be without me forgetting something? I forgot my passport. So it's okay. Quick little 15-minute run back home. We're only going to be about 30 minutes late. So let's go grab a passport real quick. All right, we made it to the Button Willow Tiger Mart. Let's see if we can get some gas here. See what happens, huh? $6 a gallon. That hurt. All right, Stop's got gas. That was crazy. $100. Whoa, that same $100 was like 70 at home. But anyway, got gas, back on the road, back at it. Looks like we made it to Salton City. We're like 2 hours out. So we're going to gas up and go to the bathroom and get back on the road. Let's see how this works. All right, so the border is that way. I think it's that big building there. We're going to find out. We're going to get this big bag on. It might be a little heavier than we thought. And we're going to try to record as much as we can going across the border. So I'm going to put on a different mount that clips onto my backpack and put this big guy up. So let's get ready to cross the border. We might be going the right way. Oh, all right, we're going to turn this off. And just like that, I'm across the border in Mexico. Nobody tell the Republicans I came here for cheap dental care. Don't send help. All right. I don't know why I've been filming. This is awesome. Just been walking around like last probably 30 minutes, walk one side of town to the other. It's pretty awesome, man. It's like any other town. It just stinks a little bit more. Fuck, there's traffic. It's just all dental offices.
25 empanadas. Ándale, sí, yo también viajo.
The Mexican street dog right there. Looks like he got him a chicken leg. It's a lucky guy. All right, night one in Mexico. Let's go look for some snackies. It's like 8:30. I don't know. Let's go see what we can find. I don't know. The streets are pretty empty. But, evidently they pack it up. Let's go see. Here's a cool little map of alright, when they say the sidewalks roll up at 8, they fucking roll up here at 8. It's like almost 9 o'clock and there's nobody out. Choices right now are slim as shit. So found a little pharmacy. We'll go check it out. Alright, Mexico day 2. Looks like it's gonna be a beautiful day. It's 8 o'clock. Yeah, we'll get some breakfast before we head over to the dentist. So let's go get some breakfast. I'm wearing my Pope is a Gangster shirt today. So we'll see if we get any comments on it. But this is the hotel. It's again, it's 8 a.m. Headed to the dentist. Let's go get some breakfast and then head to the dentist. So this is upstairs at the hotel. This is the restaurant bar area. It's not a bad hotel, honestly. This artwork right here is fucking rad. But back down here is the this is a $6 breakfast. Got a ham and cheese omelet, refried beans, cotija cheese. Looks like some salsa verde. Let it fuck it up. All right, got a fire at $6 breakfast. Now let's head to the dentist. Go get some new teeth, man. Check it out. It's nice and cool this morning. It's only like 70 degrees, maybe. It's a beautiful day. It's gonna be hotter than shit though, so let's get to the dentist. There he is. Buenos días. Everything's for TV.
Pharmacy was that right here?
Whew.
Price. Oh. Good morning.
Good morning.
Anything else for you?
Not yet.
Take your time. Take it easy.
It's early. Damn, I found the fat Rolexes. I'm gonna have to snatch them before I leave. All right, a big caveat, which we already kind of knew, but they'll lead you around by your dick if you don't know what you want. So you definitely got to know what you want when you come here. Don't not know what you want when you come here. I've been led to 3 different offices, and they literally just want your money. And I don't blame them. They want the money. But we're gonna go to the other dentist, the one that does the wax impressions, and we'll see what we can do. Okay, so let's go. This is my dentist office. I chose not. I am not, thank you though. Oh. All right, I walked half the goddamn city to find a taco truck. I mean, there's food all over the place. Don't get me wrong, but it's Americanized food. They're pandering to the Americans, which is cool. That's what they got to do. I totally get that. But I want some fucking Mexican food, man. And it looks like I'm coming up on it. This looks like it's the spot where it's at. I ate here yesterday, and God damn it, some good tacos. So we're headed back today, and there's a ton of people here. So let's see if we can get up in here and get some tacos again. Fire ass tacos. This place is all about negotiating. This is like, I hate to say it, Mexico's like one big yard sale. So just remember that when you come here to get teeth done or whatever. But I got some really nice teeth.
So right about here is where the audio shit out on me, but that's all right. I was just saying I had a great time. Went across the border, no problems this side, no problems that side. Everything was great. I ended up getting a new set of teeth. I mean, look at these things. Tell me you've seen a better set of teeth. It was great. I got new glasses, transition lenses, plus bifocals for under $100. No way. And to top it all off, I got to ride this sweet BMX through Mexico. I can't believe it. 6 months ago, hell, even a year ago, I wouldn't have told you that I'd been riding this BMX through Mexico. It was awesome. The trip was great. People were great. Highly recommend coming here to do it. If you want to save some money, come to Mexico. But I just want to say thanks for watching the video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out.